Okay. So shall we start?
Ah,
Okay. So very good morning, everyone. So our topic today is the most important purpose of education. So let's talk about the most important purpose of education. So in my opinion, the most important purpose is that people with education tend to earn more income. So that is the most important part of education, which is enables one to earn more income. So this is because people choose their courses based on the salaries which the course offer once they graduate, and the people usually associate education with salaries. Even the companies decide the salary based on educational qualification. So a person with a SPM qualification gets a much lower salary than a person with the degree qualification. So that is what determines your salary. The main part is education. And now the people with education earn more salary than uneducated people, let it be formal education or informal education. An ultimate goal for a child from his childhood is to earn a high salary. So the path they take to get the high salary is by obtaining education. For example, from young, we have been taught study well so that you can get a high paying job and your life is settled. So we are studying basically to get a high paying job, and that is the reason we tell that education enables one to earn more income. The most significant difference between a less educated person and a more educated person is their income. So education is an important part to increase one's income. So what's your opinion?
Thank you, Arvin, for your opinion. But for my opinion, the most important purpose of education is to produce people of good character. This is because it will benefit the school to produce a less violent students. With less violent students, it is easier to teach who can exercise patience and self-control and diligence for teachers. For example, in United States, American school used to focus on character education and civic virtue. This will affect the students' emotional, moral, and intellectual development. As a result, schools that teach character education report higher academic performance, improve attendance, and reduce violence. Um, what about you, candidate?
uh, thank you, Ajay. Uh, but I actually partially agree. But for you say that education makes people have good character, but when some people, not all of them, but some, they actually become more arrogant when they gain when they are clever, genius. So I'm just partially agree with you. So from my opinion, uh, the importance of education is it will contribute to the progress and development of a country. Uh, when when people learn, so they will get educated. When they work in our country, they become expertise. So for an example, when, as you know, not all medical service available in Malaysia. So if there's certain disease, you must get the treatment overseas. But when we have more educated people, we can provide better medical service that such as the diseases that uh, that cannot uh, from past we cannot get in Malaysia. Now Malaysia can provide the services, and now Malaysians can easily get the treatment. For an example, in automotive industry. As you can see, we now like Proton, they now produce a new car which is X50 that is very futuristic and and have specification that we not ever imagine, because they have educated people that create the car. So when we have, as the example, we can boost our economic growth and increase the GDP of our country. So that's from my point. So how about you guys about my point or other?
I totally agree with you, Ayat. So I think that what you say makes sense because a country with more educated people tend to be more developed than country with lesser educated people. This is proven when we see, for example, countries like the United Kingdom and the United States and Australia, where their GDP is much higher than countries which educate lower, which have citizens who are lower educated. For example, countries like Ethiopia and India and some African countries. So this shows that education contributes to the country significantly. What do you think?
I'm so sorry, but I have to disagree with Ayat's point because intelligence without good attitude isn't good for our country. So good character helps students to understand themselves and line up to their full potential by getting greater inner power and strength. The effect, students will be able to control their temper, build healthy habits, and think before they act. And this will be better for the purpose of education.
Excuse me, Azhar. Can I interrupt?
Yes.
Okay, so in my opinion, I think a person's character has nothing to do with their education. So a person who is poorly educated also can have a good character. But to contribute towards the country, you need some form of formal or semi-formal education, which can help the country, maybe via resources or infrastructure or something. Education can help the country, but on the note of character, education does not define a person's character. So, what do you think?
I'm pretty from Arvin comment, I'm agree with him, because even though poor people, they don't have, they don't agree with uh, rich people, but they taught their son and daughter to just grateful with what they have. It also a good character. So from the point, I think my point is the best. Which what you guys think?
Excuse me, I will be changing my opinion. I will agree with Ayat's point, which is contributes to the progress and development of the country is the most important purpose of education. It's because as long as they can give something new to the country and make the country's name proud, it will be better for the educational purpose.
I too totally agree with Ayat. So, shall we conclude?
Yes.
Okay, so in conclusion, we have decided that the most important part of education is to contribute to the country's nation success and country's building. So, I think that's all from us.
Thank you.
Thank you.